Pixel 10 Pro versus Samsung S25 Plus. Two flagship devices playing at the highest level. In the display department, the S25 Plus takes a clean sweep. From size, panel type, resolution, pixel density, to screen ratio, it's ahead across the board. The Pixel 10 Pro matches in protection, refresh rate, and IP rating. Software, it's a tie. Both run the latest OS. In performance, the Samsung S25 Plus dominates. Chipset, CPU, GPU, and Antutu score, it wins them all. The Pixel 10 Pro comes with larger RAM and storage capacity. The S25 Plus doesn't score here. In the main camera, the Pixel 10 Pro takes the lead. A larger sensor, higher telephoto resolution, higher resolution ultra-wide with dual pixel PDF, advanced focus features, and more versatile video options. Up front, the Pixel 10 Pro wins in still photography, but for video, it's a draw. In battery, it's even. Same capacity, Samsung edges ahead in fast charging, while Pixel wins on wireless charging. Connectivity features are complete on both, but Samsung takes one extra point here. In dimensions, Samsung wins in every aspect: lighter, thinner, and more comfortable in the hand. Price, the S25 Plus is more budget-friendly here. Final score, Pixel 10 Pro with 5 points, Samsung S25 Plus with 7. If performance and display are your priorities, the S25 Plus is the clear winner. But if you value larger storage capacity and a more capable camera, the Pixel 10 Pro still holds its ground. That's it. The choice is yours. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more tech content. Catch you on the next one.